Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Can a registered sex offender go to Universal Studios? This is a question that comes up a lot, and the answer isn't as simple as a yes or no, because it involves the difference between public law and private company policy. Legally speaking, in most states, there isn't a specific law that automatically bans a registered citizen from visiting a private theme park like Universal. The laws that restrict registered individuals usually focus on their proximity to places like schools, public parks, and daycare centers, preventing them from living near or loitering around these specific locations. A commercial theme park, despite being family-focused, doesn't typically fall under these legal definitions. However, that is only one part of the story. The most important factor here is that Universal Studios is private property. As a private business, Universal has the right to set its own rules of conduct and admission to ensure the safety and comfort of its guests. Their terms of service, which you agree to when you buy a ticket, give them broad power to deny entry or remove any person for any reason, as long as it's not based on illegal discrimination. Universal's policy is designed to maintain a family-friendly environment, and they explicitly reserve the right to refuse admission to anyone they believe could pose a threat to that atmosphere. This includes individuals whose past actions, such as a conviction that requires sex offender registration, are seen as contrary to their safety standards. So, how is this actually enforced? Universal isn't running a background check on every person who walks through the turnstiles. That would be impossible. Instead, enforcement usually happens if a person is identified by other means. This could occur if they are involved in an unrelated incident that requires security or law enforcement to run their name, if they are recognized and reported by another guest, or through other security measures. If the park discovers that a guest is a registered sex offender, they won't be arrested for simply being there, because they haven't broken a state law. Instead, they will be escorted off the property and issued a trespass warning. This means they are formally banned from all Universal properties. If they ever try to return, they can then be arrested for criminal trespassing. So, to put it plainly, while it may not be illegal under state law for a registered sex offender to buy a ticket, it is a direct violation of Universal's private park policy. If they go and are identified, they will be removed and permanently banned. The risk is not an immediate arrest, but a permanent ban and the potential for a future trespassing charge if they ever come back. It's a critical distinction between what is against the law and what is against the rules of a private establishment. We hope this clears up the confusion surrounding this complex topic. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more straightforward answers to your questions.